Welcome to Thena's channel. This is River Hills Residence, a stunning home designed by Miró Rivera Architects, located in Austin, United States. Nestled on a sloping berm, this 7,120 square foot lakeside retreat blends seamlessly with nature. The design embraces Austin's laid-back lifestyle, featuring a sprawling lawn shaded by native pecan and bald cypress trees. A pathway connects the main house to a serene swimming pool, a guest cabin, and a private boat dock. The residence consists of two wings flanking a central courtyard, partially buried to harmonize with the landscape. Weathering steel and treated ash wood enhance the home's modern yet rustic aesthetic. The modern design features clean lines, expansive glass walls, and minimalist furniture that create a bright and airy atmosphere. A striking stone fireplace serves as the focal point, beautifully complemented by sleek wooden beams and expansive glass walls. Minimalist furniture enhances the open design, while natural light pours in, creating a perfect blend of modern sophistication and rustic warmth. This modern kitchen showcases sleek wooden cabinetry, large glass windows that invite abundant natural light, and a minimalist aesthetic. The open layout effortlessly connects indoor and outdoor spaces, balancing functionality with a refined, contemporary appeal. A serene retreat, the bedroom features floor-to-ceiling glass windows, sleek wooden flooring, and a low-profile bed that enhances the seamless integration between indoor and outdoor spaces, offering both comfort and breathtaking views. Designed for relaxation, the modern bathroom features sleek tiles, large windows that bathe the space in natural light, and a freestanding tub as a centerpiece.